happening inside the courtroom. Mukul Rohatgi making latest arguments where he says, after showing graphical chart of the arrests, that he's arguing that there is no case against Aryan Khan. He says, my case is not of possession or consumption. In US and some parts of the world, cannabis is legal. He also says, with this compendium of facts, what I'm saying is that there is no case against me. There is no consumption. There is no possession. Why has Aryan been sent to 20 days in jail? Mukul Rohatgi batting very, very strongly in the Bombay High Court for Aryan Khan, and now is also pointing out about how certain drugs are legal in some parts of the world. He's also saying that there is no case because there's no consumption or possession against me. He's showing graphical charts. He's also tried to give out more details. He says there is no consumption or recovery. No driver was carrying it on my behalf. I'm arguing a case which is actually not there against me. So very clearly, Mukul Rohatgi trying to break one by one the points of what happened. Now he speaks about the other accused arrested from his house, and he says 2.6 grams of ganja were arrested from there, whose arrest was made from home at 6th October, and NCB did not ask for their custody on October 9th. A very critical twist to the tale. After saying that there is nothing against Aryan Khan, now NCB is being questioned by Aryan's lawyer, Mukul Rohatgi, in the court, who says that there is an accused arrested from his house whose arrest was made on 6th October, but the NCB did not ask for his custody on 9th October. So he's trying to pinpoint different treatment has been given to different accused in the case. Very interesting that after saying that young boys need to be rehabbed and not go ahead with any critical punishment against them, they've been in prison for 20 days. He now says that the drugs drugs are legal in certain parts of the world. And now he speaks about another accused who was arrested on October 6th, but he says his custody was not asked for on October 9th. He then goes on to say, he asks about the connection between Aryan and accused number 17. And he also goes ahead and talks about great details about accused number 17 was not on